Indoor potting mix. My lemon tree. New pot. This is wash. I'm going to take the pot. I'm going to somehow have to soak it. Not sure if it's all going to get soaked, but we'll hose it off, clean it up, and spray it down. Potting mix. Come around front so you can see what I'm doing. This is insecticide wash. I spray all over the top. All around from the top first. Replanted, cleaned up, debugged, ready for the winter. Yes, indeed. I'm going to let it dry and then bring it on in and spray it in the backyard. I want to make sure I get some sun so this way it doesn't do any damage. I'm not cutting from a seed to, yeah, next year's flowers.